Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading to Hayward. We're about to be going over to 650, and this will be the last update that I give you guys until this thing is done or we ready for the first fire up. So I'm gonna do one last little checkup on it, see where we at, see what's left. Also dropping off the last little bit of parts, the PTFE-8 feed and -6 fuel lines came, along with a couple fittings and a few other of the Earl things that we needed to make the stock fuel rails turn into AN fittings. That way we can get the whole fuel system done. So I haven't seen the car. I'm not sure what the progress is. So say it's gonna be my first day seeing the progress along with yours. Hopefully we got some good work done. And I think this should be the last week that he really has left, because I need to be pulling the car, getting it to the body shop, and then from there we got, you know, a few other things to get taken care of. But we'll see, man. We are cutting it close. We literally have 11 days left, and like I said, it needs to go to the body shop, has to go on the dyno, and then straight from there we get ready to take it to the track. So yeah, the day we test is going to be at the track if we make the deadline to get it done. If not, I'll just take the 300ZX, but I would really like to take the notchback. So got baby in there crying right now. Yeah, I'm about to drop my little cousin off at school, and then we out to 650, man. So fingers crossed, hopefully we get some good updates today, man.
All right. Get it.
Yeah, he like, pull up to the front.
Yes, please.
Pull up to the front.
I can get all the females.
All right, fool.
All right.
Look at that nigga. Think he hella cool and shit. A little square. All right, man. It's been a minute since we've been in here. Been a cool little minute.
Congratulations, fatherhood, Mike.
Thank you. My baby kind of look like you, man. I'm gonna have to DNA test you. She got super chinky eyes. Let me find out. Nah. Thank you. This fool now is not even a Muay Thai or MMA fighter. This fool plays soccer. Imagine getting into a scuffle with this dude and you get beat up on a soccer field because he decided to come in here and do some training. Oh, that's crazy endurance though, goddamn soccer player. You hear me talking shit now? I'm trying to throw you off your game.
Hey, they talk more shit.
Just finished it up, getting a little striking in. So now we're about to head over to 650 to get y'all this update on this notchback. So yeah, man, let's get our stuff and get up out of here. I love getting a good session in, some cardio and some striking. Feels good to be back, man. I haven't been here for like 2 weeks since I've been dealing with the, getting ready for my little girl and stuff. So feels good to be back. I'm booked 5 days, so literally trying to be consistent and get back to the cut, man. Some of y'all may have noticed I did cut some weight already, but obviously through the last 2 weeks been at the hospital eating hospital food and stuff, had to put a couple pounds back on. But we back on track, full commitment now. I promise y'all this is, watch, all I can say is I promise, man. Grind's about to be crazy now. Gotta get in shape, gotta be big, gotta be fit. Never know when you gotta beat a nigga up for your baby girl, you feel me?
Say I already know here, my mans.
What's up, fellas?
What's up, Big Daddy?
What's up, fellas?
How's it feel? Hold that daughter in your arms.
I love it.
And then when you seen her go through what she went through, now you're like, damn, that bitch is tough.
Yeah. 100%. 100%. I'm looking, dude, when my baby was coming out, I'm looking at my girl, she pushing, her butthole was blown out. It was
Oh, God.
I mean, she didn't poop.
Yeah.
But her butthole looked like lips puckered up. It was like, oof. I was like, oh my God, like you blew your butt out, pushing it out, my baby's head's coming out, I see hair and shit. I was like, this is insane.
Yeah, nothing but respect for
Yeah.
our ladies, man. Our
That-
moms.
Definitely a dope experience.
Yeah. I got it all on video.
I got it on video, but you know,
I'm not waiting to see.
can't nobody see it, but
Hey, oh boy ain't feeling good today either.
and they're sick.
Oh, man.
Y'all got the Rona again?
Long night.
Sick? Rona?
Trying to make it through, man.
Jeez. Rona.
Already.
It was sitting on the floor and I had pulled it.
Yeah.
I just drug it.
Got the new unit in. I'm actually kind of scared though that I pinched the line.
Where?
Because it was so tight to get it in.
Went here?
So I'm gonna power it up with it off the car. Cause this fucking hose was stuck and it scraped in there.
Think it's leaking?
Nah. I had a fucking. I woke up in the middle of the night. I was like, I better check that before we fucking put it back in. But what I'm gonna do is power it and look through here and make sure there's no puncture in that line. You know, it was a tight ass fit, bro. I had to move all the clamps, reposition them. I had to return tube to get to the skinny part. So I was just fucking iron here, bro.
Yeah, we got the PTFE line over there.
Ready?
Where'd that line go?
Fittings in there?
Yeah. I think these are the ones we need.
PTFE.
Got you a little, yeah,
Damn, I need one of these.
The Bosch fuel pump is the same size as the holder.
Nice.
So you just get one for a Bosch fuel pump and it'll fit the Weldon
Yeah, it's on the
fuel
table,
filter.
Man, I got very few parts left. Yep, those
dash
are it.
8 and dash 6.
Those are it.
All tucked away.
That's the 3G mega fuse. And then I got this to the alternator, this to the starter solenoid, and then that's the battery power and all the shit for the car. So it's all
Wheel well doesn't hit it, right?
stupid tuck.
Or a tire.
Nah, it's above this frame. It better not.
Right here. We good there.
Oh yeah, that I gotta check. That we gotta check. But yeah, hopefully it would hit here, you know, and not over here. But there's not much over there to, you know. That's the extra power wire for the 3G. So if I gotta reroute it over here, it's good.
So for the people that have been asking, what's going on with the C6
this week?
I keep getting. We've already explained it, but I keep getting asked like, "What's going on with the C6?"
We should have that.
So
I forgot, bro. But he should have it done like today or tomorrow.
All good. So y'all remember when I took this thing to the track? Literally, like I ready to do my first run, I broke the output shaft on the diff, or on the trans. So we're literally been waiting hella long for parts. We ended up having to pull the gear set from Liberty because they kept adding 8 weeks on top of 8 weeks to code our gear. So he his trans builder pulled them. Had sent them somewhere else. They already got them back. So I think he said he already assembled it and everything. So
well, let's call him right now.
that's good.
That's good.
So we should have the trans back for this week. And then after that, all you gotta do is throw this back in, and then the C6 should be back home. And then people were like, "Oh my God, there's so much stuff on it." Like, don't worry, dude. It's wrapped.
This is nothing. Look at this. This is 2 pounds.
It's wrapped though. It ain't like it's painted. It's just wrapped. Plus, it's about time to replace this. I actually have
No, you told me you were replacing it. So
Yeah.
That's why I was not tripping. You know?
Yeah, I literally have a brand new wrap design already made for this. This was supposed to go to Paradox in January, but due to the freaking gear set taking forever to get cryo treated, we ended up having to push it back. But I have a completely different design already made up for this thing. So my appointment for Paradox is I think towards the end of February for us to rewrap this. But I have a crazy ass wrap design going on here. Love the then what, but the new design is gonna be like insane watching y'all see it.
I just gotta keep it fresh always for you guys.
Yeah, I gotta change it. After the next design, I'm doing this thing back black on carbon. I want it to just be low key and blend.
Yeah.
Kind of got tired of the hot boy. I want to just look like a black Corvette rolling down the freeway. So I was going back black after this last crazy design. Might end up even painting it the freaking CTSV diamond black. So black on carbon. All right, we're getting ready to shake my mans right now, and I'm actually about to be going to check out a possible four-door car that I'm really thinking about getting. Y'all know I need a four-door. I've been interested in kind of looking at these, so this might be something I buy. That way, if I'm with my daughter or whatever, we can still drive in something cool. On top of, we're still gonna be buying a family car, but I think this is a really good deal that popped up, and yeah, we're gonna see. So y'all about to be coming with me to check out maybe a possible new car that you're gonna see on the channel. It's gonna be pretty dope, huh?
Dope.
Yeah, we'll see what happens when we get there. All right, so this is the car we came to check out right here. It's the G8. It's a GXP dad mobile. It's the original color under the wrap. It's the red. And the real selling point right here. So the GXPs are the selling point for me is the LS3 and the Supercharger, because they come with what is it, 6L80s anyway. So it's like, fuck it, I would run this thing automatic for all I care.
Yeah, absolutely. And that third pedal something.
I know.
Big brake all around.
Yeah, the GXPs came with the Brimbos, right? Oh, shit, this got upgraded.
Yeah, it came with 2 pistons. This 6 pistons.
These probably what, maybe V brakes or something.
Z01.
Z01.
Z01 brakes. Stars in the roof, the whole shit. This car's been supercharged like 6-7 years.
Who originally tuned it?
I'm not sure. I think we tuned with Whipple.
It's clean. It's nice. So GXPs came with the LS3s, and the GTs came with the 6.0, so LS2s, but the GXPs are all 6-speed, and they come with LS3. Man, I've been wanting one for a minute too.
It's hard to get them clean out here in California, bro. I feel like all the Pontiacs are in California.
Yeah.
They turn into sideshow cars.
Yep. I was looking at hella shit on Facebook, and as I was looking at them, be reading it, be like, all right, this sound cool. Next thing you know, the title would be on some shit. Nigga be like, oh, don't come if the bag ain't correct. I'd be like, he done swung this motherfucker.
Yeah, oh God.
Be looking at the wording like, all right, this nigga done swung this shit.
Or the picture of the person sliding it on the profile picture.
Yep.
They got
3 pedals.
The whole little shit.
Yep.
Oh, don't
GXP?
get him wrong. He's been tempted. I've been telling him. I got an aftermarket button. Yeah, so on G8, you got to pop him in the glove box. You got an aftermarket button where you just open it straight up.
So it's stock motor, not Camden then, right? Stock LS3 with the Supercharger?
Well, it's not on past because it's tuned now, but it's carb legal Supercharger.
Okay, for sure.
Can't get fucked. I can't get a step right for it.
For sure.
That's the biggest thing people be tripping on. The Maverick Man headlights, tail lights.
It looks good.
The beat sounds pretty cool.
Ooh, I need it. Sounds good too. This motherfucker sounds good.
They have hella issues. This one's been like this.
It's the LS3 too, so
Yeah.
LS3s you ain't gotta worry about blowing up. Anything under like 800, you good.
Yeah. Let me see. Open it.
Nigga, your phone is slid to the back?
Yeah.
How you unlock? Oh, there we go.
Said my phone slid to the back. Yeah, so I got power. Yeah, the thing ain't so slow,
It's nice and roomy. This nigga hella short. Oh, we got the double tilt and shit.
We're almost the same size.
Here you go. You hold this.
I'm like, I don't know how to do this correctly.
Oh, clutch pedal hella smooth too.
Yeah, it's a brand new clutch in it.
It's Coach Grease of Vallejo.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's smooth as fuck. Brakes and everything feel good.
Yep.
Wheel ain't hella wobbling.
That sound in the back is the fucking e-brake don't work. So the wires like hella like dangling back there.
Little cable and shit.
Yeah. So I zip tied them to the side for right now as best as I could. I think this motherfucker died.
so tired of fucking having shit that's like this. I'm like, I don't even want this shit right now. I'm gonna go get a Marrow.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's better